You might have noticed we've recently introduced a new lineup of screens to the industry. This new range is called Ultra, and the screens boast exceptional quality, comprehensive warranty, and an added bonus of the IC being removable from models 11 upwards. All of this comes at an affordable price, making the Ultra range a great option for the budget-conscious customer who's not looking to compromise on quality. Since there are so many options currently available on the market, we thought we'd do a full breakdown of everything the Ultra range has to offer. The Ultra range spans from Model X to 14 and offer two options in quality. There's a soft OLED option, as well as an in-cell option. The in-cell Ultras are a great option if you're budget conscious, but still want a reliable display that provides great image quality. The soft OLED is intended for a premium display experience with deep blacks, high contrast, and wide viewing angles. The soft OLED also has an added benefit of having shatter-resistant 9H front glass built into the screen, which essentially works as a screen protector. If swapping the IC is something you're interested in, then there's a few differences that are worth covering across the models. Both the soft OLEDs and the in-cell have an option of removing the IC from models 11 upwards, apart from the 14 and 14 Plus in-cell screens, which do not have removable ICs yet, but they will be getting that upgrade in the future. It's also worth noting that you don't have to swap the ICs over. You can fit the screen straight to your device and it will work perfectly fine. You'll just have the non-genuine display pop-up message once the screen has been fitted. Okay, back to the differences. Let's start with the in-cell first. For models 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max, 12 and 12 Pro Max, the IC is stuck down with a sticky residue and will peel off to reveal the solder pads. The 12 Mini has an extra flex for soldering the IC to, which is connected to the main flex. The 13 and 13 Mini use a tag-on flex, and the entire soft OLED range all need grinding. We're aware there's quite a few different ways of swapping ICs for all of these models, so to make your life easier, we've put together guides for each different type of IC swap, which you can find on our guide site and linked below in the description. The entire Ultra range offers a 2-year breakage warranty, which includes torn cables, frame separation, and as long as the LCD outer glass is not damaged and does not have any deep scratches, this will be covered as well. The Ultras also come with a lifetime manufacturer defect warranty. However, it's worth noting, and this is very important, if the IC is changed on any of the soft OLEDs, a warranty for screen breakage and cable damage would not be covered. However, the manufacturer's defect warranty will be covered. For the in-cell IC removable screens, if you swap the IC, the screen breakage will be covered, however you will not be covered by any damage caused by IC change. If you'd like to take a further look at the range, I've left a link in the description for you to take a look at all the models, as well as a link to the price list, which works really well as a handy guide for all the models' prices and technical specifications. If you have any further questions after watching this video, I've left all of our contact details in the description.